Hi everyone, welcome back to Robinson's World. In today's tutorial, we are going to build a simple but powerful program, a unit converter in Python. This is a great project for beginners as it introduces you to using functions, taking user input and handling different units. Let's jump right in. A unit converter lets us quickly convert between different measurement units. For this project, we will start with three basic types: length, weight and temperature. You will learn to build functions that handle each type and make conversion super easy. By the end, you will be able to convert units like kilometers to miles, kilograms to pounds and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's start by setting up a basic structure of our program. First, we will create a main menu to let users select the type of unit they want to convert: length, weight or temperature. In our main function, we display a symbol menu and ask the user to select the conversion type. The choice will be used to direct the user to appropriate conversion function. Let's start by writing a function for length conversion. We will include options to convert kilometers to miles and vice versa. In length and conversion function, the user can choose between converting kilometers to miles or miles to kilometers. We perform the conversion based on the option selected and display the result. Next, let's create a function for weight conversion, allowing users to convert kilograms to pounds and pounds to kilogram. In weight underscore conversion function, we have two options: converting kilograms to pounds and pounds to kilograms. The function performs the calculation based on the user's choice and display the converted weight. Finally, let's create a function for temperature conversions with options for Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. The temperature conversion function lets the user choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit conversions. This function applies the formula and returns the converted temperature. Now let's bring everything together. In our main function, we'll call the appropriate conversion functions based on the user's selection. In the main function, we call length conversion, weight conversion, or temperature conversion based on the user's input. If the user enters an invalid option, we'll print an error message and end the program. Let's run the full program now to see it in action. I'll try each type of conversion to make sure everything works correctly. There were few typing errors, I corrected it. As you can see, our unit converter works smoothly for length, weight and temperature. This is a powerful tool you can expand by adding even more units. If you want to enhance this further, try adding more conversions like meters to feet or liters to gallons. You could also create a loop that lets users make multiple conversions without restarting the program. And that's it. You have just built a fully functional unit converter in Python. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to Robinson's World for more beginner friendly Python tutorials. And I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below if you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.